Candidate number 14, here is the final question.
In a world that continues to challenge gender roles, we can promote women by creating community programs that could empower them. And I believe that they should not just only be a leader, but also serve as a badge of hope and be a guiding star that inspires people to dream big and illuminates the path that leads to a place of unity and purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 14. Now that you're part of the top 5.
I feel so grateful po and unexpected po kasi siya. So,
alright, would you like to greet your friends or supporters right now?
yes po, especially to Barangay Kahabaan, nagtiwala sa akin to represent our barangay and also my family na lagi na andyan to support me, my mama, ate, pinsan, hello sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Yes, supporters, make some noise. Yeah, alright. Candidate number 15, the final question will be flashed on the LED wall. Alright, and you're just given 45 seconds to answer it. And once you open your mouth, the time will start. Alright? Candidate number 15, here's your final question.
Good evening, everyone. So in our society, one of the issues is gender stereotypes. And for us women to overcome this issue, we should be proud and feel empowered because our capabilities is not solely based on our gender. As women, we have so much more to do, and we are not just being dictated by the society's expectation. And the woman of Talisay can be truly an empowered woman by building her strength, having the courage to face the challenges, and be a transformational leader. And with that, I can say that I am a true woman of Talisay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Number 15. From what barangay?
From Barangay Binanuan.
Binanuan. Alright. Sino mga kasama mo ngayon, candidate number 3?
Actually, hindi ko po sila nakikita.
Where are the supporters again, number 3? Alright. Alright, ready to answer your final question?
I guess so.
Yes, alright. So, the final question will be flashed on the LED wall at the back, and you're just given 45 seconds to answer the question. Alright? Here's your final question.
As a woman who's living in the 21st century, I believe I can use technology and social media platforms to contribute to our municipality by promoting sustainable tourism and also initiating different activities and projects, especially to our beloved farmers, which I think are the true essence of this Paruyan Festival. And I believe that by winning this crown of Miss Talisay, I can also empower women to join pageant like this, and I am here standing before you with immense gratitude and determination because I do believe that the title holder should be kind, sympathetic, and resilient. I do believe that those qualities embodies me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Candidate number 10, are you now ready to answer your question?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, you are ready. So you're just given 45 seconds to answer your final question, which will be flashed on the LED wall. Alright? And here is your final question.
Good evening. We know that we are all different individuals. As a beauty queen, we should have a lovable person, integrity, empathy, and resilient. That's why to be a beauty queen, that's why I deserve to win this crown, because I am a lovable person who has a integrity, empathy, and has a heart of the gold. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10. Are you now ready?
Yes po.
Yes, alright. So the instruction is, you are just only given 45 seconds to answer your final question. Alright, and it will be flashed on the LED wall. Ready? Candidate number 8?
Yes.
Yes.
Beauty pageant is relevant nowadays because it is also encouraged to everyone that it is not all about beauty, and it is all about beauty and talent. So I will propose our engagement and education. Engagement and education is one of the most important to everyone. The gender equality is very relevant to everyone, because all of us has my own unique beauty.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.